welcome back to another episode of Rosengold. My name is Dr. Ross, and this is IK.
Wagwan. Let's get into our hot topics.
For our first hot topic, we just want to say Happy New Year. We're finally in 2023. Party hard, but not too hard. Go get your bread.
Exactly. We know that a lot of good movies are coming out and a lot of things are happening. So make sure to stay tuned for rosengold.us. Give us a follow, like this video, and put a comment down below. We'll see you on the next episode. But make sure to buy the Jamaican shampoo. The link will be in the description down below. If you're looking for that look, that luster, the Jamaican shampoo is for you.
That's right.
That's for you, Kylie Jenner.